Hey, fitness enthusiasts ready to boost your protein intake and see some serious gains? Let's dive into the top 5 protein-packed foods. First up, chicken breast. Packed with around 31 grams of protein per 3.5 ounces, chicken breast is a lean, versatile staple in many diets. Next, we have eggs. One large egg gives you about 6 grams of high-quality protein and all 9 essential amino acids. Plus, they're nutrient-dense with healthy fats, vitamins and minerals. Third on our list is Greek yogurt with 10 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's also loaded with probiotics for gut health and calcium for strong bones. Perfect for sweet or savory dishes. For plant-based enthusiasts, lentils are your go-to. Offering around 9 grams of protein per half cup cooked, they're rich in fiber, iron and essential vitamins. Affordable and versatile, they're great in soups, salads and more. Finally, let's talk tuna. Canned in water, it provides 30 grams of high-quality protein per 3.5 ounces and is rich in omega-3 fatty acids for heart health. Honorable mentions include lean beef, tofu and cottage cheese, all excellent sources of protein to round out your diet. So, there you have it. Incorporate these protein-packed foods into your meals and watch your gains soar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and fitness tips.